Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Curry's Corner is a small rural community located in Hants County, Nova Scotia, along Highway 1 between Windsor and Falmouth. The community forms part of the municipality of West Hants and is situated in an area known for its agricultural heritage, scenic countryside, and proximity to the Annapolis Valley. While Curry's Corner itself has a relatively small population, it serves as part of a larger network of communities that contribute to the economic and cultural life of the region. The area around Curry's Corner has been inhabited for thousands of years by the Mi'kmaq people. Long before European settlement, Indigenous communities traveled through the region using rivers, trails, and waterways that connected different parts of Nova Scotia. The nearby Avon River and surrounding forests provided important resources for fishing, hunting, and transportation. European settlement expanded into the area during the 18th century, following the arrival of New England planters. After the expulsion of the Acadians, farming communities began to develop throughout Hants County. Fertile soils, access to water, and a favorable climate helped establish agriculture as the foundation of the local economy. Many of the farms established during this period helped shape the landscape that remains visible today. Curry's Corner developed as a crossroads community serving nearby farms and rural residents. Small businesses, local services, and transportation routes connected the area to Windsor and other communities throughout Hants County. Agriculture continues to play an important role in the region. Farms surrounding Curry's Corner produce a variety of crops and livestock products, contributing to the economy of West Hants. The fertile lands of the Annapolis Valley and surrounding areas have long supported farming operations, helping make agriculture one of the region's most important industries. The nearby town of Windsor has influenced the development of Curry's Corner for generations. Windsor serves as a regional center for shopping, healthcare, education, and government services. Residents of Curry's Corner benefit from easy access to these amenities while enjoying a rural setting surrounded by farmland and open countryside. The population of Curry's Corner is relatively small, with most residents living on individual properties, farms, or within nearby residential developments. The broader West Hants region has experienced steady population growth in recent years as more people choose to settle in smaller communities outside major urban areas. Housing in Curry's Corner primarily consists of detached homes, rural properties, and farm residences. Average home prices generally range between $400,000 and $600,000, depending on lot size, acreage, condition, and location. Larger properties with extensive land or views of the surrounding countryside can command higher values. Today, Curry's Corner remains a community shaped by its agricultural roots, rural character, and close connection to the surrounding region. Its history reflects the broader story of settlement and development in Hants County. With access to natural beauty, nearby services, and a growing regional economy, Curry's Corner continues to be an appealing place to live and visit in Nova Scotia. Thanks for watching!